Okay, vishing, guys. Let's talk about vishing. So vishing is voicemail phishing, right? So we had smishing being SMS phishing. Now we have voicemail phishing. These guys are coming in through phone, through voicemail, and they're trying to social engineer you. And it's actually really common these days. In fact, I received 2 phone calls this week from people pretending to be from Apple, and they were trying to get into my system. And I'm going to show you some examples in a second of what that sounds like. A lot of the times they will pretend that they are an authoritarian figure, right? They're law enforcement or IRS, and they'll tell you that you're in trouble, or they'll tell you you've won something, and hey, give us, give us $100 and then we'll give you $10 million on the back end. Don't believe any of this stuff. And when I was saying in the previous section about VoIP, about them being able to spoof or fake that caller ID, they're very good at this, right? A lot of the times they will choose a phone number that's local to your neighborhood, and they will spoof that and call in from that. So you're like, oh, this is coming from my area. Let me pick up and see what's going on. Or let's say they'll pretend it's from like Washington, DC or somewhere very official. You're like, oh my God, I better get this call. So they'll do that, and unfortunately, a lot of our information is out there on the internet already because of these breaches, so they will use that to their advantage. So they'll call and say, oh, hi, yeah, so-and-so, hi, Reza. Yeah, we do understand that your address is this and this and this. Can you verify we have the last 4 of your social security number. Can you verify the beginning so we know we're talking to the right Reza? And you're looking at the phone and you think it's coming from the bank or it's coming from somewhere, so you're like, oh, maybe I should trust them. But you're not, right? We obviously know that now. So let me show you some examples so you see what I'm talking about. So this is the first one. This was a call. Someone called me a while ago, and they were pretending to come from Microsoft. It was Windows tech support, right? I'm on a Mac, by the way. I'm using a Mac. And they called me pretending they're from Windows tech support, whatever that means. And then they'd see all these error messages come in, and they needed to get access to my computer so that they could fix all this stuff. I knew immediately what was going on. So I just started messing with them, toying with them. It's about a 10-minute phone call. I've cut it down because I mess with these guys, I was having a good laugh with them. But I just want you to hear what these phone calls sound like. So I'll play this. It's about a minute. I just want you to listen to it. You can hear the beginning part where I answer the call, and then they start they're asking me if they can get access to my computer. And at the end, I tell them, hey, I know exactly who you are and why you're calling. And then they're like, oh my God, and they basically hang up. So check this out. Who are you?
Sir, this is from Windows Technical Department.
Windows Tech, okay. Yeah, what's going on?
So we are getting errors and warning messages from your computer. That's why this call is made to you.
Wow. Okay, yeah. Tell me, please, because I'm very worried now.
Okay, sir. Is your computer on?
It's on. Yeah.